Beef bhindi with green chilies. 1 kilogram okra bhindi. Wash, dry and cut. 1 kilogram beef bada gosht. Cut green chilies 1 cup. 1 cup tomato. Half cup crushed ginger and garlic. 1 cup crushed green chill. 1 spoon of every spice. Take pressure cooker. Add onion. Add beef. Add ginger garlic paste. Add tomato. Add crushed green chili. Add salt, turmeric, black pepper, zira, dhania, all spices. Add 3 glasses of water. Cook beef for 10 minutes. Put to cup cooking oil in a pan. Heat up oil. Oil koa shi tera garam karan. Half fry okra bhindi on medium flame. Stir smoothly. Ahista paltan. Open pressure cooker. Fry beef properly. Fry about 10 minutes. Put leftover broth, yakni in beef. Fry for 10 minutes. Add 1 tomato for fresh taste. Add half cup green chilies for fresh taste and garnish. Add fried bhindi, okra. Mix smoothly. Add coriander for garnish. Like, share, and subscribe our channel. Serve with chapati bread. Thanks for watching.